What's going on, everybody? Back at it again, down in Virginia at my brother's house. We're going to check out the garden a little later. Today we have a project to work on. It's fixing his compost pile. So he started the compost pile, which is a great thing to help amend his soil. We didn't get a weed barrier down though, so to help him out, because he has Bermuda grass which grows crazy everywhere, we're going to go ahead, we're going to lift all this up, straighten up his pile, and add some free cardboard as a weed barrier to go ahead and prevent the Bermuda grass from coming up through the cracks again. And then we'll go ahead and mix this pile up so we can get some fresh compost to add to his new raised garden beds. Hey, don't forget, comment, subscribe below. Okay, so we're going to start this off. He has compost in here already, fruits and vegetables and other organic matter. We have a box over to the side. He's going to shovel it into that as I'm moving these cinder blocks, and then we're going to put the weed barrier of his free cardboard underneath, and then we're going to put everything back. So we're going to go ahead and speed this up now. So we got it all cleaned up. So now we have to make and place everything back. I'm making sure that the cardboard's covering up all the grass.
box there.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to leave the box here. We have some more cardboard. We're going to finish putting it in this final section here. Right where my foot is, still needs a little cardboard, but we're going to leave the cardboard down for a weed barrier, and now he'll just have to turn this a little bit. When it starts raining and he finds some worms next to his garden out in the street, just throw them in here. They'll start helping to break everything down, and then he's going to have great compost for his garden. Thanks for watching.